We use a grid view to align items in a grid. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create this design using GridView and GridView.builder. Inside our body property, let's define a GridView.builder. We set the item count to 24. It means we have 24 items in general. And let's set a grid delegate to sliver grid delegate with fixed cross-axis count. And let's set the cross-axis count to 2. This is the number of items we're gonna have horizontally. And next, let's define an item builder. This is gonna give us an index and a context. And lastly, let's return an image.network. So now if we hit save, we see our GridView.builder is ready. But we can also customize it more. So for example, we can have a cross-axis spacing of 10 and a main axis spacing of 10. And if we hit save now, we see we have some space horizontally and vertically. We can also have a main axis extend. We set it to 200. This is just the height of our items. And we also have a child aspect ratio. We can only use this property if we get rid of the main axis extend. So now if we hit save, you see this is our new aspect ratio. Defining a grid view is pretty much like a GridView.builder. So inside the build property, we first of all return a grid view. This time we're using a grid delegate with max cross-axis extend. It means this is gonna have a fixed axis extend. For that purpose, we're gonna use the width of the screen times 0.5. It means each item should take half of the screen. So then we have a children property, and inside which we use an interval to generate 10 numbers, and at last we turn them into the list and return an image.network for each number. So now if we hit save, we see that our grid view is ready. We can also do some more customization like we had for GridView.builder. For example, we can use a main and cross-axis spacing. Let's hit save and see what's happening. We can also use a main axis extend of 200. And if you want, we can also use a child aspect ratio. This time we're gonna use 9:16.